Imagine a sky where chaos rules, where enemy drones and smart missiles threaten every second. In this storm, one silent machine rises, the Pantsir-SM, the fastest anti-aircraft weapon on Earth, built by Russia to guard its skies. This isn't a parade toy. It's the last line when everything else fails. When radars drown in noise and the enemy charges at full speed, Pantsir-SM answers with unmatched precision and lightning speed. Stay with us to meet the ultimate Sky Guardian, a technology that could redefine modern war. The Pantsir-SM isn't just a shield. Mounted on a rugged 8x8 chassis, it blends tactical mobility with instant reaction on any terrain. It moves fast, shadows convoys, repositions in minutes, a rolling fortress. Its turret packs two 30mm autocannons for close-range devastation and 12 surface-to-air missiles ready to strike up to 40 kilometers. Its mission? Protect the vital. Air bases, troop columns, command posts, no matter what. But its real power is speed. When a surprise strike hits and the sky fills with threats, Pantsir-SM activates in milliseconds. Its upgraded radar, double the range of its predecessor, tracks 20 targets at once: drones, helicopters, cruise missiles. With perfect sync between missiles and guns, it neutralizes 4 targets simultaneously, turning the sky into a no-fly zone. This reaction speed puts it at the top of global air defense. That's not all. It uses optical and infrared sensors to see without being seen, operating in electromagnetic silence. This tactical stealth makes it nearly impossible to locate. Its high-precision radar locks even the smallest, fastest targets, calculating trajectories and adjustments in real time with advanced electronic intelligence. This fusion of tech makes it an aerial predator, predicting enemy moves before they know the danger. Battle-tested from Syrian deserts to tense Ukrainian skies, the Pantsir-SM has proven itself. Night footage of tracer fire lighting the dark, downing dozens of drones in minutes, shows its raw power. Yet it's not invincible. Surprise attacks, when radars were off or reloading, exposed flaws. But Russia turned lessons into strength. Upgraded software, hardened radars, better electronic warfare resistance. The Pantsir-SM version is a leap forward. Double-range radar, 40-kilometer missiles, enhanced jamming resistance. It stops drones, loitering munitions, even hypersonic threats, a challenge few systems worldwide can meet. Its next-gen ballistic computer calculates trajectories with millimeter precision in real time. This evolution makes it a cornerstone of Russian air defense, ready for tomorrow's wars. In Russian doctrine, air defense is layered. S-400 rules high altitude. S-300 covers mid-range. Pantsir-SM seals the gap, annihilating anything that slips through. This synergy creates a deadly ecosystem, from strategic radars to mobile Pantsir units for total sky control. Protecting bases, convoys, command centers, it's the final barrier before disaster. Mass-produced by KBP Tula, the Pantsir-SM beats sanctions with local innovation. Export versions like Pantsir-S1E arm allies, Syria, Algeria, UAE, tailored to their terrain. Affordable, rugged, versatile, it challenges pricier Western systems. The future holds more. A lighter variant on tactical vehicles is in development, with miniaturized missiles and AI for auto-drone response. Pantsir-SM isn't the biggest, but its agility and speed make it essential. For Russia, it's more than tech. It's the guarantee its skies stay sovereign. What do you think of this revolutionary weapon? Comment below. Subscribe to NeuroIntelE for more secrets of war and AI. Like if to script you. Stay with us. The battlefield's future is just